Randy here with Randy Repairs It. I'm at my neighbor's house in his little workshop, and he asked me to come take a look at this this pool cleaner robot. So called a Beatbot. We looked at it a couple weeks ago, and they had sent him some new rollers because they thought the rollers were damaged. And that wasn't the case. What ended up happening was these little gears, they either broke right there or they just separated. They, came undone. So I kind of figured that out, and real quick, it's like the gears are coming out. And so he contacted the manufacturer, and they actually sent him a new set of gears and 2 more rollers. But we're not going to change these because there's nothing wrong with the other ones. Well, that was spared. Now he's got 4 of those. All right, I'm going to show you guys how I do this. You need a flatten a Phillips. All right, the easiest way is to turn this thing up on its edge. This panel here comes off. So you just got to get a screwdriver up underneath it and pry. And I know it's scary, but it does pop right off, okay? And then we're going to undo these screws here. We're going to take this track off. All right, then we'll set these out of the way. And then you see these here, these have to come off as well. Again, we're gonna use a Phillips. I'm gonna take these off. Because we're changing this out right here. Just get that out of the way there, we just gotta slide it. All right, so there's a Phillips head in here. Get down on it, and I'm just going to change this out here. So this one wasn't damaged, but I'm going to change them with the new ones. We super glued the other ones, but I didn't think they were going to hold because it's a lot of torque that's on that. And it looks like, oh yeah, look at that. They've given longer screws, so we're going to see if that makes a difference. These might be, no, they're not longer, but they do, the gear's not longer. Okay, the other thing you got to look for on this is that these gears have little marks on them. So there's a mark right there, and there's a mark right there, and they need to be going the same direction, or you're not going to get your wheel back on. And they don't tell you that in the instructions. Let's see here. Oh no, there it goes. Okay. All right, we're going to put the longer screw in. We'll see if it goes. Because maybe that'll keep it from breaking. Oh yeah, look at that. All the way down, okay. Before I get too far on this, I'm going to make sure that this gear cog fits back on again, and it does. Okay, so you want to check that again, because if these aren't lined up correctly, it will not go back on. And like I said, they don't tell you that in the instructions. Okay, there's one. Let's do this one. Again, you don't have to take this all the way off here. You just need to move this guard out of the way. I wouldn't use power tools on this because you don't want to strip out the nylon, and it would be really easy to do with the power drill. Okay, we're gonna move that out of the way. Same thing on this one. Oh, gotta hold that one. Yeah, this one here is one that separated, and you can kind of see where it broke apart. We just super glued it back together, but like I said, I didn't think that was going to hold. Yeah, okay, so that's in the right spot. There's 2 marks on this. There's a mark here, a mark right here, and there's a mark right here. We just need to get them going the same direction. It's a weird timing setup they have, but seems to be functional. Oops. All right. Pop in this thing here, get in there. Okay, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to make sure that this gear fits on the back. And it does. That means we can actually put this back together. And my neighbor can start using his swimming pool. All right, get in there. Not seating right. There it goes. Okay. Okay. And I'm going to pop these back on. Yeah, that's good. Get one more. We just pop this panel back on. It's got locks on it, little plastic locks. The name goes up like so, and click it in. All right, we'll rinse and repeat on the other side. I'm not going to show you that, but I'll show you when we get done what it looks like. All right, so we got it all back together again. There's the old ones, and like I said, there's these we didn't do, and these are the ones they sent earlier. But yeah, now you can get it in his pool and get his pool cleaning. So thanks for watching.